Hey, welcome back to X Nanny Q. So I have a lot of parents asking me what to do when my toddler doesn't want to eat anymore. Parents, they get those little attitudes. I know everything you put in front of them, they like every time you try to feed them, and it's very frustrating. Take a deep breath, and let's try giving them things that they can feed themselves. Vegetables you cut up, and allow them to dip it. You can find a fat-free dip for them. A lot of kids just want to dip and feed themselves. And if your child isn't taken to feeding themselves yet, or you feel like every time you put something in front of them, or they only eat chicken nuggets, I know. Allow them to have it. They have vegetable chicken nuggets that kids just see the shape of it and they try it. So kind of mix it up in there so they can have their vegetables and the chicken nuggets all in one. There's a lot of recipes on making vegetarian chicken nuggets. When I get them, I'll make sure to add them in the comments, or I'll put them up somewhere so you guys can see them. You know what I'll do? I'll tag them on my Pinterest. It's X Nanny Q. But to my kids that don't want to eat anything, Mom, Dad, let's try back with the pouches of food. You remember the ones that you were buying when they were small? Let's go back to those and see if that works. A lot of times their teeth hurt because the back teeth are coming in. Sometimes they just don't want to do anything. They just have a little mind of their own. And it's frustrating, I know. But we're not giving up hope. We're determined. So let's try that also. Let's try the pouches of food for them. And if that doesn't work, sit down with your pediatrician and see if they can give you smoothie, or I know they have like the, what do they call it? Ensure for kids. See if your pediatrician will say that that's okay for your child to have. A meal substitute shake is okay because they're still getting all of those vitamins, the protein, and everything they need. So find out if that's an option also. But don't stress yourself. Believe me, when that baby gets hungry, they're going to tell you, I'm ready to eat. I want food. And it's okay if your baby wants to eat chicken nuggets every day. So here's the secret of what I do. When I have those babies who don't want anything but chicken nuggets, I go to Whole Foods and I get the vegan chicken nuggets and I give it to them. They don't know the difference. I make sure they have whatever dipping sauce they want, and they dip and eat away. I love the vegan hot dogs. They even have a vegan cauliflower and cheese. The kids think it's mac and cheese. It's amazing. So it's so many different options out there. We just have to constantly try them. And I know it gets frustrating. I really do. However, let's stay consistent. Let's try new things. Let's try finger foods. Let's try giving them foods that they can feed themselves. And all they want, if all they want is red noodles, well, baby, welcome to Italian. That you better cook it. It's okay if they're consistent with it, but allow them to try new things and allow them to develop to be the little person that they're trying to be. Don't force them. I know you're thinking, oh, they're not getting this, they're not getting that. They are. In another way, they're getting it. And if you feel that your baby isn't growing good, or they're not at a good weight, make sure to talk to your pediatrician. If you're not getting the answer from your pediatrician, get a second opinion. It's okay. You don't have to agree and just not, go with it. Go make sure that you agree with what they're saying. You're paying the money for it. So if you have to go to 3 or 4 different pediatricians, that's okay. You're looking out for the benefit of your child. Okay? So if you guys have any more questions, please make sure to hit me up at xnannyq.com. Bye.